Hello students, Ms. Slyman here with your notes on 6.6 conditional probability. This is at the end of our syllabus for probability. And conditional probability happens when, or we're using conditional probability anytime we see the word given or somehow the total outcomes are limited. So we have total outcomes get limited somehow. And we're going to see examples of this with Venn diagrams, and we can do just normal probability problems, tree diagrams, all of that. So let's look at this. So we've got a class of 40 students, 27 play sport, 15 play piano, 27 play sport and the piano. So display the information on a Venn diagram. All right, so I know that I've got a total of 40. So my universe is 40. I have sports, piano, 7 play both. All right, total of sports was 27, so 7 here, that means I've got 20 over here. 15 play piano, 7 of those piano players are here, so 8 must be here. If we add up this total, 20 plus 7 plus 8 is 35, but my universe is 40, so 5 must play neither. All right. So determine the probability. Make sure we're reading our question. We were looking for probabilities here, not number of people, that a randomly selected class member plays. So we want to play both. Playing both. We could also write that's the same as sport intersect piano is 7 out of 40. At least one. So at least one means that these are the people who are not these people. So the people who don't do neither. So at least one is all of the people, 100% of the people, minus the people who don't play sports, who don't play anything. So that will be 1 whole minus 5 out of 40, or 35 out of 40. The other thing we could have done is we could have added all of these to get 35. Okay, they play sport but not piano. So that's, if you remember our Venn diagrams, and you should try and write this out on your own. What is it using Venn diagram notation, like up here? So we've got the people who play sports and not piano. That's 20 out of 40. Of course, we could reduce all these fractions, but it's okay to leave them whole. Exactly 1 of sport and the piano. So I'm going to say only 1. 20 plus 8, 28 out of 40. In Venn diagram, that one's a little harder. That's the probability of sport union piano intersect sport intersect piano not. So this one's a little bit harder. It's a lot easier to say only 1. Neither sport nor piano. Well, that was these people up here. So probability of neither. In Venn diagram, that's the probability of sport union piano not. So that's 5 out of 40. And now the last one. The piano, if it is known that the student plays sport. Here, we have limited the possibilities. So if we know that the student plays sports, that's only this circle. So this is conditional probability. We've put on a condition that we know the student plays sports. So the way we write this is the probability that the student plays piano, knowing that or given that is what this line means, they play sports. So the piano players in this yellow are 7, and we're only looking in that yellow, so it's not out of 40 anymore. Now it's out of 27. And this is conditional probability.